chilling confession. Bryan Kohberger admits to Idaho murders. The heart-wrenching case of the tragic deaths of 4 University of Idaho students has taken a major turn. Bryan Kohberger, the graduate student arrested in connection with the killings, has now confessed to the premeditated murders of Kaylee Goncalves, Madison Mogen, and Xana Kernodle and Ethan Chapin. But here's where it gets controversial. At a court hearing on July 2nd, the 30-year-old Kohberger entered a guilty plea, admitting to 4 counts of murder and 1 count of burglary, as part of a plea deal he agreed upon with the prosecution. When asked under oath about his actions, Kohberger confirmed that each of the homicides was committed with deliberate and pre-planned intent. This acknowledgement lent a serious credibility to the legal proceedings, allowing the court to officially record his guilty pleas. And this is the part most people miss. With his plea, Kohberger also relinquished his rights to appeal, or to seek a reduced prison sentence, according to the presiding judge, Stephen Hippler. The plea agreement suggested that Kohberger would face a 10-year prison term for the burglary charge and a life sentence without the possibility of parole for the 4 counts of murder. However, Hippler did mention that he, as the judge, is not bound to adhere strictly to the terms of the deal. Arrested on December 30th, 2022, just 1 month after the students were found fatally stabbed at a rented house in Moscow, Idaho, Kohberger's arrest was facilitated through the use of mobile phone data and critical DNA evidence found on a knife sheath at the crime scene. Controversial insight. During the hearing, the prosecutors did mention that although Kohberger might not have planned every murder, his actions that night resulted in deliberate and calculated killings. This nuance highlights the complex nature of intent and culpability in legal cases. What do you think about the importance of premeditation in determining the severity of punishment? Share your thoughts in the comments below.